Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is the first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. As you can see, I have my pot there because we are going to be making jollof rice. Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay guys, so I have my pot here. I have some cooking oil in there already heating up. Over here, as you guys can see, I already have some canned tomatoes in there. Okay, I have my rice over there washed already. Okay, so let me just zoom the camera so you guys can see them more. Okay, so over here I got my tomato. I got tomatoes and the long paprika pepper. There's 4 of them in there, 3 canned tomatoes and 2 onions in there, white or brown onions in there. And then I got chopped onions here as well. I got my rice here, which I've washed clean already with hot warm water, so the rice is very clean. Okay, and then I have some I've got garlic and ginger in here, and then I have my seasoning in here as well. Okay, so I got season up, chili pepper, garam masala, curry, salt and paprika. Okay guys, yeah, the only thing that is missing is my non-chicken cube, which I'm going to bring later. And then I got my oil heating up right here. Alright guys, so our oil is heated up, so I have my chicken non-cube already. Okay, yeah, and also when the rice is almost ready, I'm going to be adding a butter to it towards the end when the rice is ready. Okay, also guys, I was thinking of also adding some sweet peppers to the rice, but maybe I might not just add sweet pepper. I think I'm just going to cook it in normal jollof rice without adding some sweet peppers to it. Okay, all right guys, so I'm going to start with, normally I start with my salt. I start with salt. So I'm cooking quite a large quantity of rice, so I'm going to be adding quite a bit of salt because the rice is quite a lot. Okay, so very much like I've added almost like 3 of this teaspoon. Yeah, you do. So now you add your onions. Add your onion, fry it a bit. Okay guys, so we are going to add all our seasoning to it now. I normally like to add all my seasoning before I add the tomato. Okay, so I'm using 2 teaspoons of paprika. I'm also going to be using 2 teaspoons of seasoned oil. I'm also going to be using 2 teaspoons of garam masala. And I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of curry. This is a very tiny little teaspoon, very tiny, of curry. And then I'm going to be adding my chili pepper. I'm going to be adding my chili pepper. So I'm going to be adding like 3 teaspoons of chili pepper. If you don't like chili pepper, please skip it. Okay, now we are going to add our tomato. Okay, and then I'm going to be adding my garlic and ginger. So I'm going to rinse this out. Okay guys, I've washed the blender out. I'm going to be adding my chicken non cube. Okay guys, and then after which I'm going to be adding the rice, and then we are going to let it cook. So I just want to add my chicken non-cube now, and then I'm going to be adding the rice after that. Okay, because we are not adding any vegetable or sweet peppers to this. Okay, we're just cooking the normal jollof rice today. I'm not using bay leaves because I don't have bay leaves. Okay guys, so that's why I didn't put bay leaves, because I don't have it. And moreover, I don't so much like bay leaves on jollof rice. I don't know why, but I don't so much like it. And I'm not using tomato puree because it gives me heartburn, so I'm not using tomato puree. Okay guys, so now you stir it together. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell when you do subscribe. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm going to just stir it together, and then I'm going to cover it to cook. Okay, and then when it's nearly like cooked, the water is dried, I will add the butter. I'll come and show you guys that part. Okay guys, don't start yet. Okay guys, so we are going to check our rice. Okay, we are going to give it a stir. So guys, I'm going to be adding the butter to it now. Remember I told you guys I was going to add butter. This is the original Nigeria jollof rice. Okay, that's why I didn't add any peppers or chicken or anything like that. Okay, this is authentic Nigeria jollof rice. So I have my butter here, which I'm going to be adding. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it. Share it to your friends and family, share it to your community. So I just want to help the butter to melt quickly, so I'm going to cut it into pieces a bit, okay, before I add it to the rice, so it helps it to melt. I'm just going to give it a stir. So at this point, I'm actually cooking it on a low heat, okay guys? Just so that the jollof rice doesn't get burnt too much. If you don't want your jollof rice to burn at all, you have to cook it on a very low heat. In that way, it doesn't get burnt at all. So you have to give it time, put it on a low heat. Okay guys, I'm going to cover it now. Remember I use foil paper. You can use parchment paper, but I use foil paper. I prefer to use foil paper than use parchment paper. Okay, so I'm going to leave it to cook, and when it's ready, I'll show you guys. Okay. Alright guys, so let's check our rice. I think it's ready. So let's give it a stir. Yeah guys, so our jollof rice is ready. I've cooked it on a low heat. Okay guys, so our jollof rice is ready. As you guys can see, I'm just giving it a quick stir. I cooked it on a low heat so it doesn't get burnt too much. It's burnt just a little bit. I can feel tiny bits, not much, which is really good. Really happy about that. So you guys can see I'm bringing it from the bottom. It's not burnt. It's just little bit, very tiny bit at the bottom of the pot. So I'm happy for that. Yeah. So, give this video a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe. So cook your jollof rice on a low heat and you will see that it won't get burnt. Even if it will get burnt at the bottom, it will be very minimum. So it's ready guys, it's ready, that's it. Okay, and I'm making some plantain. So that's our jollof rice guys. Thanks for watching.